Today on Max Handy Gadgets, we're making a delicious grilled ham, cheese, and tomato sandwich. So let's get started. Alright, to make our delicious grilled ham, cheese, and tomato sandwich, we have 3 nice slices of smoked ham, 4 slices of American cheese, yep, 1 sweet onion, and 1 nice ripe tomato, right? And over here we have 2 really thick slices of bread. Look at them. Alright, let's put some of this aside. Alright, now we're going to slice up our onion here. But we already went ahead and sharpened this knife with our AnySharp knife sharpener, and boy, does that work good in a pinch. And we've been using it for like 3 years now, and it still works good. And I'll put a link in the description for that if you need to pick one up, because they're really handy in the kitchen. Alright, let's get back to slicing our onion. We'll take the bottom off. That knife's sharp, guys. And we'll take this off. Alright. And we'll go ahead and, slice this up a little bit, and we'll try to take the skin off, right? Now, sometimes these are really hard to peel. If you guys know a better way of peeling these, let me know. This one seems to be pretty good. I'm going to take the outer layer off, right? Just like that. Put this aside here, and we'll throw this away. Alright, let's go ahead and slice this up. Now, you can slice it any way you want, but we're going to cut it in half. Just like that. And we're going to slice it up, so that it'll be big strips, right? So we'll do that. Like I said, that knife's sharp. Alright. We'll do this one. Alright. We'll go ahead and, break them up. If you can't break them up, chop them up. Okay, they look pretty good. Alright, let's move these over here, and we'll bring in a bowl, and we'll put them right in there. Now, leave them kind of big, like I said, There you go. There's our onions all chopped up nice. Let's put them aside. Okay, now let's bring in our nice tomato. Look at that, it's nice and ripe. And we'll go ahead and we'll take off the stem, just like that. Now this is really a nice tomato, and it's kind of soft, but it's good. And we'll slice that right up, just like this. And let me tell you, that knife is sharp. Now we're only going to use maybe 2 nice slices, so I'll cut 3 out of there, just in case. Alright, we'll put this aside. And we'll discard this, but you could eat it if you want. Alright, let's go ahead and put these on a plate. There's our nice tomatoes. Beautiful. Alright, now all we have to do is start cooking, so let's do that. Alright, and today we're using our nice Lodge cast iron skillet, and we're going to set our burner to medium high. And we're going to let our pan heat up. Alright, our pan's hot enough. Now let's add a little bit of oil, not much. Okay, now we're going to take our nice onions that we sliced up, and we're going to put them right in there. Now we're going to saute these until they're nice and tender. Oh, they're looking pretty good. They're almost done. You guys see that onion that's dancing? Okay. Okay, let's saute that dancing onion. Alright, let's see if we're done caramelizing our onions a little bit here. They're looking really good. Just another couple minutes and they'll be done. Alright, our onions are just about done here, so we're going to move them over to one side of the pan. Just like this. Put them all the way over here on one side. Now we're going to take our smoked ham and we're going to put that in there. One slice at a time here if we can fit it. Or maybe two. And move this over. Move this up here. And we can put the third one right there. Now we're not looking to cook our ham, we just want to warm it up good. Just like that. We'll flip this one over. Okay. Okay, that one looks to be done. Let's put him on a plate. And that one looks to be done. We'll put that on a plate. Let's move this one over to the middle. Alright, let's flip it over. Okay, that one's nice and warm. Let's get that on a plate. And there's our ham, all nice and warmed up, right? Now you can brown your ham if you want. I just like to warm it real good. So let's put this aside for now. And we'll bring in a slice of our nice bread, right? And we'll put some butter on there. Now you can put as much butter as you want. I'd put about a quarter patty there, you know? Put that right in there, just like that. Now we're going to take a slice of our American cheese and we're going to put that right on there. Take a slice of our nice ham and we're going to put that on there. Just like that. Now fold it up. Don't let it hang off. And we're going to take another slice of our American cheese. Yep. And put it on top. And we're going to take another slice of our ham and we're going to put it right on there just like this. Now fold it the other way this time. And another slice of our American cheese. Okay, it's going to be cheesy. We like our cheese. And another slice of our nice ham. Look at that. And we're going to put that right on there just like this. And we're going to fold the other end in. Now we're going to take some of our onions. Maybe all the onions, right? If you can get them on there, get them on there. Let me get a little spatula action here. Put them up there. There you go. Can't waste any of these, they're too good. Where's he going? Trying to get off there, wasn't he? Now we'll take our last slice of American cheese, right? And we'll put that right on top of our onions. Now we're going to take our tomatoes and we're going to put them right on top of there. Maybe two nice slices. I think we'll save this third one for something else because I don't think it'll fit. Now we're going to add a little bit of salt to taste and a little bit of pepper to taste. And I know you guys saw that onion slide out of there, so we're going to try to stick him under here. Alright, now we're going to take our other slice of bread and we're going to put a little butter on that. Alright, there you go. And we're going to put that right down on there, just like this. And we're going to press down on him. Nice and firm like. Make sure you squash him down good. Okay, like that. Okay, let's flip it over and see how we're doing on the other side. That looks pretty good, guys. Alright, let's let him toast on that side. Okay, let's see how we're doing on that side. We'll flip it over. That's what you do with these kind of sandwiches. Flip them around a little bit. And all the cheese and everything's going to melt inside. Alright, it's been about a minute. Let's flip it back and let that finish cooking. Look at that, guys. That's beautiful. Alright, our delicious grilled ham, cheese, and tomato sandwich is done. Let's shut off our burner. And let's get that out of there and have a taste test. See if we can get under here. Put that right on a cutting board. Alright. Look at that sandwich, guys. Boy, is that nice looking. Let me see if I can spin it. Oh yeah. Perfect. Alright, let's go ahead and have a taste because I can't wait any longer. So let's do that. Alright, here it is. Our delicious grilled ham, cheese, and tomato sandwich. Look at that, guys. Don't that look nice? Boy, does that smell good. And the cheese is melted really nice with those caramelized onions that we, put in there on that nice tomato. And it's loaded with cheese. Boy, is this going to taste good. And I can't wait to have a bite. So let me cut it in half. Alright, let's cut it in half. Alright, let's pick this up and see how it looks. Boy, is that tasty smelling. Look at this, guys. Look at all that cheese that's melted in there with that ham. And that tomato down the bottom there. Okay, let me go ahead and have a bite because I just can't wait any longer. Let me have a bite. Mmm. Is that delicious. Look at all them nice onions. Let me put that down here so you can see it better. Alright, you know what'll go good with that? Since we're having this for a nice late lunch. You may have guessed this one. We're having a nice cold wobble pop with this one. Yep, that does sound good. Alright, if you're enjoying these videos, go ahead and like and subscribe and I'll catch you on the next one. Mmm, delicious grilled ham, cheese, and tomato sandwich. That's what's for lunch today. And that really does sound good. Yep, I just got to have another little bite. Look at this, guys. Alright. Mmm. Is that good? Catch you on the next one.